by chance that you were here today.
So, hello,
So I
how
want
are
you to
you?
look around at this
Simply
team
tell, how was it?
and know
Oh,
that
it was
you
so
have
beautiful.
earned
It was so
You
moving.
have earned your place in the room.
It was
You've
amazing.
earned
You seen the first
this
launch,
moment.
your first
You have
rocket
earned
launch?
your place
No.
in history.
Okay,
I've seen more.
but the first big one,
You were
yeah?
part
And
of
you?
a first.
It was amazing.
Didn't come
I
along
was
very
crying
often.
and
Some greetings to Japan in Japanese.
In
Once in a
Japanese,
career maybe.
こんにちは。SLS の打ち
But
上
we
げ
are
素
all
晴らしか
part
った
of
で
something
す。
incredibly special. The
Und Jesko,
first
wie war's für dich?
launch
Alles
of
prima?
Artemis.
Alles cool.
War's es laut?
Ja.
Ja? Und sag mal, wie war's für dich?
This was the greatest thing I've ever seen. And
The first step in
in the
returning
future,
our
you're going to see
country
much more great
to the
ones.
moon
It was so great. You
and
felt
on
it
to
everywhere.
Mars. What you have done what you have done today will inspire generations to come.
Okay, we must go. Thank you.
So
I have it.
thank you for your resilience